Why are my terrarium plants dying? Imagine creating a tiny world inside a glass jar or container, turning recycled materials into a lush green scene. But sometimes, your plants start to fade or die, and that can be frustrating. Let's talk about what might be going wrong and how to fix it. First, moisture levels are a big deal. If your terrarium has too much water, roots can rot and mold can grow. This often happens if the drainage layer is missing or if you overwater. On the other hand, if there's not enough water, plants can dry out and turn brown. Closed glass containers recycle moisture through condensation, but you need to keep an eye on how much water is inside. If you see a lot of water droplets on the glass, it might be too wet. If the glass looks dry and the plants are wilting, they need a little misting or watering. Next, light is essential. Plants need bright, indirect light to stay healthy. Direct sunlight through glass can overheat the inside, burning the plants. If your terrarium is in a dark corner or under low light, plants may become weak and yellow. Using a small LED grow light can help, especially if your recycle jar is kept indoors. Temperature also plays a role. Glass containers can heat up quickly in the sun, causing stress to your plants. Keep your terrarium in a spot with stable, moderate temperatures. Avoid placing it near heaters or in direct sunlight for hours. Choosing the right plants is key. Ferns, mosses, and air plants love high humidity, so they do well in closed glass jars. Succulents and cacti prefer drier conditions and are better suited for open containers. Mixing plants with similar needs prevents one from thriving while others struggle. Maintenance is often overlooked but very important. If your terrarium is crowded or has dead leaves, mold and fungi can develop. Regular pruning keeps everything tidy and healthy. Cleaning the glass helps light reach the plants and keeps the environment fresh. Also, layering your container properly makes a difference. Start with a layer of small stones or gravel for drainage, then add activated charcoal to filter toxins, and top with the right soil. This setup prevents water from sitting at the roots and keeps the environment balanced. When using recycled glass containers, check for residues or rust on metal lids or edges. Clean thoroughly before planting and monitor the condition of the container over time. Sometimes, residues can harm plants or cause mold. In the end, your plants are dying because of moisture imbalance, wrong light, unsuitable plants, temperature issues, or lack of care. Paying attention to these details, especially when working with recycled glass jars, will help your tiny garden thrive. Keep experimenting, and your creative material transformations will flourish into beautiful, sustainable projects.